Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, Vatos Locos. It's Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazyman's Garage.
Lazyman's Garage.
Today is another day. It's windy as shit. Rocking my Honda Street Garage sweater. We miss you guys. And I think I'm going to take off the D-Series transmission off that block and sell that motor today. Because I'm planning on going B-Series on the CRX. I can't stay with D-Series, but for my Civic it's already a D-Series, so I'm just going to keep it D-Series and just convert it to stick. That's the original plan. I'm going to see what Louise is doing. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Chilling with my dogs and my brother. No, they were playing, bro.
Alright, so I started to loosen up the bolts here on the D-Series transmission because I'm, like I said, going to degrease this, going to clean it up, make it look nice. Ooh, I even have a speed sensor. I'm just trying to figure out where all the rest of the bolts are, but I know there's one here, there's one down here. I don't know if I already said that one, and there's one right here. The rest are like T-bracket, but I don't know if I have, wait. Nope, I don't have to remove that from the engine because it's connected to the transmission. How come every time you wash your car, you always gotta wet the fucking Cavalier?
I gotta make sure it's clean.
God damn it, Robert. Alright, so transmission's off. Bolts are right here. Starter, it's right here. Now I gotta take off the clutch and flywheel. Then I gotta take off the intake manifold and then the headers. And then I could sell this bad boy. And maybe put that towards a block, a B20 block or something. Whatever I can get for it.
Pick up flowers.
So Louise, you're a fucking idiot. So Louise is trying to get this last bolt off for me for the intake manifold. And then we're gonna get the clutch and flywheel off. I got all the hoses off. All the little doohickeys here I'm keeping. Then I'm taking off the headers and then the motor is going bye-bye. Grandpa, please don't be mad at me. Okay, so I got the clutch and flywheel off, and this clutch looks pretty okay. I mean, it'll work. And then I got the flywheel, which looks pretty new itself. I can't run the intake manifold on this block. The reason that being said is because those two holes right there, which are, I'll try to use my finger, right there, those two holes. Can't bolt that up to the Z6 because on the Z6 there is only one hole and not two, and I thought that this was like cleared away, but you could see that there's nothing there. It's just grease. So there's only one hole for the coolant to go through. So I'm probably gonna just sell that with this over here and then just try to make some extra money. But so far, clutch is out, starters out, trans is out, starters out, headers off, clutch and flywheel are off, and we're that much closer to doing the stick conversion. Do you mind? Okay, so far I got the intake on, the injectors on, the fuel rail on, but the only thing that, and the distributor, but the only thing I can't get off with Louise's help is the flywheel, but everything else is off. Everything. Starter, clutch and pressure plate, header, doodad, and that's it so far, but we're gonna continue to try at this and get this off. Okay, so got a little surprise for Louise. He has no idea, but I've been racking up money and saving up money. That he gave me 45. I've been saving a little bit of money that he's been giving me here and there, and I did a few oil changes so that way I can get him a little bit more money towards his transmission fund. And my friend's letting me borrow 80 bucks right now, so that way we could get his transmission soon. So he has no idea, but I'm gonna film it and be like, all right, so what are you doing tomorrow? And you guys will see. Watch, you guys will see.
Looks like it has a long button.
Hey Louise, what are you doing tomorrow? Nothing? Go get your transmission. Because you got that fucking 186 right here. for that transmission, boy.
Who's man's? Who's man's? That's my man's right there. Come here.
Not a problem, dude, because I wanted to... Oh, okay. I wanted to see you happy.
It was my idea.
Oh, look at... Look.
I planned it.
She thinks you're hurting me. I don't think I've ever seen you this happy.
Yeah, not in a long time.
Last time I saw you this happy, you got some pussy. One thing that's really upsetting is well, not Zoe, but is that somebody did this to Louise's valve cover. We don't know who it is, but that's the only thing that really bothers him right now. But it's good to go. When did the guy say he gets off?
7.
7. So what kind of transmission are you getting?
JDM GSR.
JDM GSR. Let's hope it works. I wonder why he's selling it for so cheap.
So we got it in the trade. But if this guy is sincere and his shit actually works, then big thanks to him. But if it doesn't work and I don't like it, then I'm not gonna buy it. So then he's gonna waste his gas.
That's on him.
Yeah.
Right now we are degreasing parts, cleaning out the intake, degreasing the half shaft, and the starter using Spray 9, which is like the best degreaser ever. And you literally just squirt it on, and you just let it sit. Just do a few coats of it, let it sit. You can scrub it if you want to, using like a toothbrush or whatever. But the alternator came out clean. Really, really clean. You can do this to the alternator, you just gotta let it dry, because we've done this before and it never fucks up the alternator. Just let it dry in the sun and it should be fine. So this is what we're doing now, huh? We could be getting the intake on, but you don't want to because you're looking at videos?
Videos?
It said videos, not videos.
Videos? You sure looking at videos, Louis?
Yeah, I'm looking at the video.
The videos?
I hate both of you. Okay, so Louise needs the
I hate it.
Louise needs the half shaft, and here you go. Here's your shaft of many halves. The bolts are there. Okay, so the half shaft is 3 14mm bolts that are in the back, right here, here, and here. So we got the half shaft, the charcoal canister thingy, the intake manifold, and the alternator arm with the alternator belt. What else is next? Because we don't get this transmission until later on today. We could put the headers on.
Yeah, I'd have to put it on the engine stand.
Hmm?
I'd have to put it on the engine stand.
No, you wouldn't.
Why wouldn't I?
Why would you?
Why not?
And look at that. The ITR headers are on. That shit looks fucking clean. That shit looks badass. You can take a picture of it?
Yeah.
Might want to clean up that dirt spot though. That one right there. Right on the camera. But damn, that shit's fucking clean. We pretty much got everything done. We got the intake manifold, alternator, charcoal canister, half shaft, and the headers done. What else is next?
Where's this go?
I don't know. You took that off. I think. Oh, you know what that is? That fucking metal line that goes through here to here. You know, like on intakes where people always like take it off. Yeah, it goes from there up or some shit. Today's the day. Today's the day we put the motor in Louise's car. We got the transmission. We got the flywheel bolts. We got the pressure plate bolts. Clutch and flywheel. We got Domino. We got a Moose. What's up, Domino? So we're good to go. We just got to degrease the transmission, paint it, slap it all together, and then install it. Okay, so Louise got this transmission because we were talking to this dude. He said, "Oh, I got a GSR for sale, yada yada yada." We bought it, and this is what came out of it, including this. Fucking, it's missing teeth on certain parts of the fucking synchros. The differential on the inside is loose. Like, my finger, there's shrapnel everywhere. This thing is just done. The guy sold us this and we were excited. We thought we were gonna get the car running, but guess not, because some guy wanted to fuck us over for some money. So this is how it is. If anybody would like to donate an LS transmission to the cause and help us out, that would be greatly appreciated. And I don't know, like I'll hook you up with free polishing or something, because this is ridiculous. You know, we've been doing this whole thing this whole time, and just to get fucked over like this, you know, like my friend was so excited
That's what
for
came out of
this.
the transmission.
He was so excited, and then this
That's what came out of
this
the
happens. So you can imagine, like I helped him pay for it too. So like, it's really frustrating. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of mad right now. Like, I don't like getting fucked over, and like this is why we don't buy from people randomly. This is why we only buy from people we know. But now we don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna end the video here tonight, guys. I know we were supposed to put the motor in, but we couldn't get to it, and it's just today was just kind of like a shit day. I couldn't get anything done. I didn't have the right tools. My grinder's missing. It's just there's a lot of things that happened today, and it's just kind of like did not go as planned as we thought it would. But I mean, hey, you're gonna have those kind of days, right? So, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. But I am gonna end this video. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you guys leave a comment, I always respond to all the comments if there is any. If you guys need anything from Neo's Garage, they do financing, no credit, no problem. Let them know that I sent you. There will be a link down in the description below. If you guys want to buy some Activia wear, like some hats, well this isn't it, but like hats and shirts, sweatshirts, there's a link down below. Tell them I sent you again. That's another one of my sponsors. If you want to follow us on Instagram, all of our Instagrams are down below in the description, including mine, Louise, Mike's, Will's, and anybody who guest stars in episodes. But like I said, I'm Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I got a favor to ask of you guys. I'm going to try to keep this as positive as I can, because I know how my friend it would be, and he would want me to be positive about it. I got to ask you guys for a favor. Just one little favor. In the description down below is a link to a GoFundMe account. If all you guys can do is just share it for me, that would greatly, I would greatly appreciate it. It goes to help him out with medical bills and insurances and things like that, because what happened to him was he got in a motorcycle accident and they amputated his leg. And Zach is a really good friend of mine. I've known him since since we were kids, and it's just kind of my way of helping out. If you guys could just at least share the link, I'd greatly appreciate it. Just do share the link or donate. Write me on Instagram. Let me know so I can personally thank you. But that being said, I'm going to end a video right here, for reals this time. But if you guys can do that for me, thank you. If you guys can't, still, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace.